So today's spicy eating,
Spicy
noodles eating contest.
Contest.
So how much can you eat spices?
6, 10 out of 6.
10 out of
10 out of 6.
6 out of 10.
Brain lagging already. What about you?
Evening?
6.5.
6.5.
I think maybe 8 out of 10. Maybe my spice tolerance.
Okay.
Might be 5, I guess.
5.
It has gone down a lot
Yeah,
since I came here.
We're coming here.
So we'll be eating these Korean spicy noodles. So we have 3 levels: 1x, 2x, 3x. We'll play this game. Whoever is the winner will get 1x. The second place will get 2x, and the remaining 2 get the 3x.
Okay.
Oh.
One way alone.
Why are you already accepting your fate?
Very bad at aiming here. Oh.
Okay, first throw, Margaret.
Not shy, no? Okay, let's start it. I would have. Alright, I'll go since Tharis not 3 centimeters.
What if nobody gets anything in?
We'll keep on doing.
You keep on trying.
Almost.
Yeah.
No one.
Very good.
Someone has to.
Oh! Shit! 3x.
Nice.
My hand is shaking.
Oh, you need.
I know. Please don't. Okay, one more round then.
One more round.
I'll take orange again.
I'll take my red.
This is the third final round, but if there is tie, we'll continue. Okay.
I'm so scared. I don't know what I'm too much. Never have I thought this game would stress me out.
Too much force.
Too much.
So,
Knife was not gonna.
I think I'm gonna.
we'll continue since everyone is in a row. First place also is 2. So we'll keep continuing.
Damn.
We have to do it again.
Shit. It's okay.
Yeah, so one more round since
I think this
there
was
is
lucky for me.
2 people with 2.
I feel like I can see myself in the phone.
How do I use my phone?
Oh!
I know I've got it.
Maybe it will be my partner. I am here. 2.
2, 1, 1.
Oh.
So it's almost decided, yeah. So now it's first and second.
Why?
Oh!
This is
Power up.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Very good.
Anyone gets 1, then it's the winner.
Oh. Sorry, this chocolate is a uncle. Even me, I have very bad gastric.
Winner is Aviana, 3 points. So you get 1x,
Yes.
the least spicy one.
That's most spice tolerant
Person. The less spicy.
The second goes to Margaret. So you get 2x. And Yuvni and Sonia gets 3x.
The water is getting boiled. Even the people are getting boiled. Oh my god. How are you guys feeling for the 4x?
Go on.
So 2 goes for the 1x.
That's right.
Ooh.
Sesame oil, sesame oil is Ooh. My mom, I want to eat that now. So do you want me to wash the pot?
Here comes the 3x sauce. Last touches. Green onions. Huh? What? You want? You want more green onions?
Yes.
Yes. You missed. Who were the 1x? Okay, alright. Select yes. 2x? Margaret. And the 3x?
Twinning as well.
Sitting in the middle, tweeting.
All the best. You can start.
Thank you for the video.
It's so difficult to eat with chopstick. I'm so scared to take even a bite.
I just ate the
No. I can't use chopstick. You can't use. I'm scared. Okay, this one, that's one. Oh,
Oh man, I was gonna say it's not that bad. It's actually that bad.
first bite is fine.
This is spicy too.
Right now, it's fine.
I feel like I'm sucking into you.
Told you, man. Second place is better. Right now, too, I think tolerate. Oh, it's so hard to eat with chopsticks. Why is your so comfortable?
I am really fast eating. So this was it's very hard for me. I'm already eating spicy and then one packet left.
So it's already done. Almost done. And the guys
find something to talk about.
She can actually eat.
and very slowly.
She can actually eat.
What was that in Chinese?
Para puro ko yung economic skill mo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Too dumb for this.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me about what you guys did last night.
We all know what we did.
We enjoyed the night.
Yeah, we enjoyed the night.
I can't eat. I was drinking.
Man, I'm actually. Is it my blush or am I like going red?
Why are you? It is spicy a bit.
It's good though.
It's tasty.
It just has spicy. I just love to eat my number for again. Oh shit, sorry, I didn't train.
Oh. So my food bag is very small. It's like
Food type. How do you know?
no, because like if I eat now, if I continue eating without any liquid, if I start choking.
One more chili. So you were doing singing yesterday? You sang?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So much karaoke.
We had a unique mic.
Group dance practice for freshers also.
Oh.
Right.
Let's cancel, sir.
Let's get it.
After seeing our performance, we cancel ourselves.
Which song?
Toba, toba.
Toba. Bollywood song. Vicky Kaushal. Toba, Toba. Yes, that one. I just finished eating the 3 egg spicy noodles.
Show the ball.
Ta-da!
Okay.
I'm also not to be done.
I still have
You still have a lot
No,
left.
sir, it will be done.
Well, let's do this in
You're having only 1 egg.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Jangmyeon. It's a little spicy. Not so bad, no?
Not bad. Bad for me. It's not as bad as I remember it.
Yeah, you haven't finished it.
Not bad.
Samya is suffering.
I told you I have.
Then that's not 6 by 10. That's 4 by
How
10.
do you spell your name in your certificate?
Sonia. Sonia.
Yeah, then why do you put everywhere Samya?
It's my nickname.
Alter ego.
I go with Samia.
I identify as Samya.
I feel like I'm in a dream world right now.
Let's go all at once, yeah?
I can't.
Combine faces and pieces. So you don't miss.
Yeah, that's what it
Yeah.
is.
Guys, today I finished a packet of 2 spicy noodles.
I still have.
Ah, done. Done and
That
dusted.
actually wasn't that bad, huh?
What about the
That.
jajangmyeon? The least spicy one. Yeah, we still have the winner with the 3 eggs.
Ah, I enjoyed it.
That was good.
But then, I might suffer that one. It's the silence before the storm.
Done.
What about one more?
Samya, Samya, Samya,
Chug, 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 chug.
Not chug.
Chug is for drinking.
The soup, yeah. The soup is like.
Victories.
Chug, chug, chug.
Done and dusted. Out of this world.
Throw the ball. Okay. Samya. Sonia, who calls herself Samya. Also finished.
I can drink this now, huh?
Yeah. No one's sweating.
Oh, my stomach.
Sad milk.
I can't talk. Finished everything. It was very good. 5 out of 5 service.
Service. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, it was nice. I did not think I would be able to finish it without having any. But then I was able to finish it.
Yours was 2 eggs, right?
Yeah, it's pretty good. I guess I said my spice tolerance is 5 by 10. I think it increased to 6.5. Pretty good kind of size.
I thought that my spice tolerance was 6, but I realized that it had gone down to 3.
Out of 3 out of 10.
Yeah, it was difficult for me to finish.
My spice tolerance is very good. I could eat a lot.
Yeah,
Yes, there's that about after eating.
You really tell your significance. From Nagaland.
English is not my first language. I'm from Nagaland.
Okay, so it was all good, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
next time we'll increase a little bit more, right?
Yes,
sir.
Thank
The
you.
spice level.
We'll up our spice tolerance with help of Kamal sir and his games.
Thank you for this meal. It was good.
Bye bye.
Subscribe. Subscribe to our store channel.
Share, subscribe, comment.
Comments. Woo.
let's do some signature pose. Like flower, like lotus.
Oh my god.
Like lotus. So do it.
Oh, come on, Stefan.
Sorry.
I
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.